morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Currently, I'm on the way to Maya Port. Right now, 4:30 p.m. in the evening, 5 p.m. the last boat leave from Maya Port to Malapascua Island. Hopefully, I will reach on time. It was one of the long day for me. Since morning 3:30 a.m. I was roaming around. This is the registration office. As usual, you need to register yourself. This is the waiting area for Malapascua. The very important message, if you don't have enough passenger, you need to pay 100 pesos extra for the ticket. Usually the ticket 200 pesos. Right now I pay 300 pesos. Apart from that, environment fee 140 pesos. Totally 440 pesos. It looks like very low tide right now. The boat ride was approximately 40 minutes. It was a quite smooth ride. At the same time, you can see beautiful sunset. We reached the Malapascua port 5:30 p.m. See, almost fall down. That was close. Thank you. The port was quite beautiful and very clean. You can see at least more than 20 boats right now docking at the port. The place was very well maintained. The water was so crystal clear. Looks so beautiful. It is a very good spot for sunset. You will see the amazing sunset from this port. It was a quite warm welcome. In this island, I stayed in Malapascua Budget Inn Hotel. It was 5 minutes walk from this port and quite nearby. I highly recommend this hotel. If you like this video so far, subscribe to the channel would be awesome. It is a quite nice budget hotel. I love the double door in this hotel. It completely isolates the sound from the outside, and this place is fully soundproofed and air conditioned. The lights on the ceiling looks fantastic. This room previously karaoke bar. Right now they stopped doing that. The reason behind that, some customer complained the noise pollution. This place look like a big living room. Very good place for eating your food, relaxing with your friends, and also have enough PowerPoint. You can do your video editing over here. In this hotel, the staffs are very friendly and very kind. This place have a dive center. You can book your diving in the reception. Reception open 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. You can write your autograph and memories. Free 24/7 water dispenser and library. You can have a drink and read book, and you can relax over here. This is the room I stayed, bunk number 2. The bed was very big and spacious. At the same time comes with the PowerPoint. You can charge your electronic things. This room fully air-conned. Per day they charge you 500 pesos. Completely worth it. You will have a locker also. At the same time, the bed comes with the blinders. This is the one of the cleanest bathroom I ever stayed in the budget hotel so far. The water pressure was very good. When I was there, shower also available, but it's only a cold water. This is the night market, only 50 meters away from the budget inn hotel. It starts at 5 o'clock to night 10 o'clock. If it is fully crowded, maybe it goes until 12 o'clock. It was a quite nice place. Minimum 200 people can sit down in this place. The seafood was very fresh. You can order your seafood. On the spot, they can cook or grill. Depends upon your request. And looks fantastic and very fresh. I highly recommend it. For me, today was a very long day. Since morning 3:30 a.m. I was traveling. Today morning I went to Kalangaman Island. I had a great time. You can check out the previous video for the more details. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Right now I'm super tired. I just ordered seafood fried rice and eat it. The fried rice was very good. You can see from here the night market only 50 meters away from the Budget Inn hotel. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video soon.